In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Adobe Acrobat Reader not opening on your PC desktop. If you're having trouble with this issue, you're in the right place. We all know how frustrating it can be when you're trying to open a PDF and it just refuses to load. But don't worry, we'll get it sorted out quickly with just a few simple steps. Let's start with the basics. Like any other troubleshooting guide, it's always a good idea to start by making sure the application has all the permissions it needs to function correctly. To do this, you should open Adobe Acrobat as an administrator. Head to your Windows desktop and click on the Start button, which you can find conveniently positioned in the lower left corner of your screen, depicted by the Windows logo, of course. Once you've clicked the Start menu, you'll want to find your Adobe Acrobat Reader app. And if your PC happens to be brimming with programs, don't worry about scrolling endlessly. Just type Adobe Acrobat into the search bar for a quicker find. Once your Adobe Acrobat Reader icon appears before you, right-click on it. You'll see a context menu emerge. Hover over the option labeled More, and from there, select Run as Administrator. Now, you might wonder, why should you run it as an administrator? Well, this step is crucial because it grants the application those extra permissions that might be necessary for it to launch without any hitches. Now that you've clicked Run as Administrator, you might encounter a security prompt, commonly known as the User Account Control or UAC prompt, popping up on your screen. This is just Windows ensuring you're the one making decisions here by asking if you want this program to make changes to your device. Just confirm that the program listed is indeed Adobe Acrobat Reader and then click Yes to proceed. At this point, Adobe Acrobat Reader should start up without a hitch. But let's say it doesn't. If the pesky problem persists, don't lose hope. Let's explore the next fix, checking for updates or possibly reinstalling the program. Sometimes an outdated version can be the culprit behind launching issues. Go ahead and ensure that your Adobe Acrobat Reader is up to date. If an update doesn't solve the issue, consider uninstalling the current version and reinstalling it afresh from Adobe's official website. And just like that, by following these straightforward steps, you should have Adobe Acrobat Reader opening smoothly on your PC once again. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more Adobe Acrobat tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.